partnership, but also being acknowledged worldwide as transformative assets in the region evolving security landscape. This enhanced capability was vividly demonstrated during the recent escalation triggered by India, when the Pakistan Army, Navy, and Air Force responded with precision, professionalism, and confidence. Armed with these advanced platforms, the Pakistan Armed Forces successfully defended our airspace, land, and territorial waters and upheld our national sovereignty. In the course of this engagement, 6 Indian aircrafts, including Rafale jets, were neutralized, a powerful affirmation of our cooperation, readiness, and real-world impact on our defense collaboration with China. It was a moment that reaffirmed the strength of our alliance and the credibility of our collective security posture. On the other, the Pakistan-China Economic Corridor, the flagship project of President Xi Jinping's visionary Belt and Road Initiative, continues to redefine regional connectivity and economic integration. It is not only reshaping the economic landscape of Pakistan, but also forging deeper regional integration. This is evident during our recent visit to Central Asian states and countries of Eastern Europe, where immense interest was shown in exploring possibility of connecting with the CPEC through Belt and Road Initiative, a real game changer. CPEC is transforming Pakistan's infrastructure and energy landscape while laying foundation for a shared future of prosperity, stability, and mutual growth across the wider region.